Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Dirt Path Exploration. Today we traveled to Maplewood, Minnesota to take the Battle Creek North Loop trail. The trail is a 1.4 mile loop around a few bodies of water that takes about a half an hour to complete. It's entirely tarred and as such appropriate for strollers or wheelchairs. And there are several crossover paths if the 1.4 miles is too much and you need to cut it short. The parking lot has a significant amount of parking, and you should have no trouble finding a spot to park. The park itself is directly across from a dog park, so it's not unlikely for you to see people walking their dogs along the path as well. The path starts out around the southern pond and then curves around before turning north again. This portion of the trail borders the road on the left side. As it turns, it begins to border an even busier road, but about halfway through the left portion of the trail, it turns inward and briefly puts a patch of woods between the trail and the road before once again coming out and bordering the road again. The trail has numerous benches to stop and take in the area. The first one I encountered was on this inward dive, where you can see both bodies of water and you have a patch of trees behind you. There is also a spectacular oak tree that towers over the path as you head into this section of the trail. The second excellent spot for the seat is after the trail turns inward on the north of the bodies of water. There is a hill with a natural prairie area, and at the bottom of the hill is a bench to sit and watch. We took the trail during foliage season, so most of the prairie flowers were long past, but I imagine during the spring this would be an excellent spot to take in the field of flowers, similar to Essex Park in Rochester or the Upper Prairie at Fort Ridgely State Park. My favorite part of the trail was the intersection on the northern side of the waters. Towards the eastern side, there's a triangular intersection of the tar paths, and it's surrounded by beautiful trees, and during the fall, the leaves gently fall into the opening, and it just gives you that perfect visual that reminds me of my youth in New England. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to let us know your favorite trails in your local area.